Let's do some more pandas. Customers without orders. This question appeared in the interviews of Apple and Amazon. In this question, they're asking, find customers who have never made an order. Output the first name of the customer. Okay, so we have two tables, or let's say we have two data frames here, the customers data frame and the orders data frame. Let's look at how they look. So in the customers data frame, we have all these columns: ID, first name, last name, city. So these are all the customers that we have in our database. Okay, then we have our orders table here, and in the orders table we have ID, customer ID. This customer ID is a foreign key which points to our customer table, and it tells us out of all the customers we had in our table or data frame, how many of those actually placed an order. Okay, so this orders table only contain information of the customers that actually placed an order. That means we have some customers in our customers table here that did not place an order. Okay, and those are the people that they're looking for in this question, because they're asking, find customers who have never made an order. So the approach that I'll be taking here is to use a left join. On the left side of the join, I will have the customers data frame that will have all the customers in it. On the right side of the join, I will have orders data frame, and we will see that there are some customers that never place an order, and how can we extract or filter those customers out and feed it to our solution checker here. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing first in pandas, you do import pandas as PD. After that, let's explore our customers data frame here. Let's do customers.head, and in there they have first name, last name, and all this stuff here, right? So I'm just going to keep that open here, customers, and I'm just going to have my orders table open here so we can do that side by side. Okay, so customers, and I said I'm going to be doing a left join here. How can you do a left join in pandas? You can do data frame.merge. So the first data frame, the data frame on the left goes here, the data frame on the right goes inside here. This can be orders. Okay, how you're going to specify this will be a left join, so how equals left. You're joining left on, the left meaning the customer has this ID column here, so this will be ID. Right on meaning the column that you'll be using to join from the right table, so right on equals customer ID, so customer ID, and I think that's pretty much it. And let's run this now, and as you can see, we have these merged or left joined result set here. Okay, it's interesting. So let's see what we have here. We have IDX, first name, last name, city, address, phone number. Okay, we have all that information there, and then we also have more joined columns here on the right side. These are the columns that are coming from the orders table. That's why you have this IDY. That means these are the columns that are coming from that table here. Customer ID, as you can see, some of the customer IDs are actually missing. I saw one there, I saw two here. That means these customers do not exist in the orders table. That means they did not place an order. Okay, in the question, that's what they're asking for. They're asking for customers who have never placed an order. Okay, so we are essentially looking for people that have the customer ID as null from this combined data set. Okay, so let's do that. How can we do that? I'm just going to save this merged result set in our, let's say, just customers data frame here. Okay, after that, let's do that filtration here, so we can find customers with customer ID is null. Okay, so customers df PD is null, and I'm looking for more specifically this column here. So I'm gonna be passing that in here. and this will be cust ID. Okay, and I am looking for the first name out of it because they're asking for output the first name of the customer. But before all that, let's run this and let's see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, we have some of these customers here that did not have a customer ID associated with them, right? As you can see, they're all null. So we extracted them out, and now they're not asking for all these columns. They're only asking for this first name. So we can supply that. It's pretty simple. First name. And let's see if that is the right answer. Check solution. And that is the right answer. Okay. So we used a simple approach of left join. We kept our customers table on the left side here. We kept our orders table on the right side of the join. We specified how we want to do the join. This is just a simple syntax of pandas merging or left joining. And we did some filtration here. We only looked for the customers that have a customer ID as null in the orders table. And there you have it.